Hello students, welcome to the Heritage School Singrauli. Today we will study from English Pathways of class 5, chapter number 2. And the chapter name is I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud or Daffodil. But in your book, the chapter name is written as Daffodils. Let's get started. I wandered lonely as a cloud. Here, wandered means बिना किसी मतलब के. मैं बिना किसी मतलब के अकेले एक बादल की तरह भटक रहा था. मैं एक बादल की तरह अकेले भटक रहा था. That floats on high over vales and hills. Here, vales means घाटी and hills means पहाड़. मैं उन बादलों की तरह भटक रहा था जो किसी घाटी या पहाड़ के ऊपर भटकते हैं. When all at once I saw a crowd. यहाँ पे crowd means भीड़. तभी अचानक मैंने एक भीड़ देखी. A host of golden daffodils. Here host means झुंड and golden means सुनहरा. एक सुनहरे झुंड daffodils का. Besides the lake, beneath the trees. Beside the lake means lake के किनारे and beneath the trees means पेड़ के नीचे. लेक के किनारे पेड़ों के नीचे में एक गोल्डन कलर का सुनहरे कलर्स का डैफोडिल्स के फूल को देखा. Fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Fluttering and dancing in the breeze. जो ठंडी हवा में फड़फड़ा रहे थे. Here for fluttering means फड़फड़ाना and breeze means ठंडी हवा. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. Here continuous means लगातार. वो daffodils लगातार तारों की तरह चमक रहे थे जैसे कि आकाश गंगा में सितारे टिमटिमाते हों. They stretched in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. उन daffodils, here stretched means खिंची हुई. उन daffodils की खिंची हुई तनी हुई लाइन बनी हुई थी जो कभी खत्म होने जैसा नहीं लग रहा था. Along the margin of the way means और झील के किनारे में वो लाइन daffodils की लगी हुई थी. Let's proceed further to our second stanza. 10,000 saw I at a glance. एक ही नजर में, एक ही झलक में, glance means झलक, मैंने 10,000 daffodils के फूलों को देख लिया. एक ही नजर में, एक ही झलक में 10,000 daffodils के फूलों को देख लिया. Tossing their heads in sprinkly dance. Here tossing means इधर उधर, जो अपने सिरों को, अपने हेड्स को खुशी में इधर उधर घुमा रहे थे, डांस कर रहे थे. For often when on my couch I lie. अक्सर जब मैं अपने सोफे पर लेटता हूँ. In vacant or in pensive mood. Here vacant means खाली, pensive means उदास. उस वक्त मैं कुछ सोच नहीं पाता और बहुत ही उदास मूड में होता हूँ. They flash upon that inward eyes. इन फूलों को जब मैंने देखा था ये दृश्य मेरे आँखों के सामने आ जाता है. Which is the bliss of solitude. Here bliss means खुशी, solitude means अकेलापन, जो मेरे अकेलेपन को और खालीपन को भर देता है, कमी पूरी कर देता है. And then my hearts with pleasure fills. और फिर मेरे हृदय हर्ट 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 मीन्स हिंदी में हृदय खुशी से भर जाता है एंड डांसेस विद द डैफोडिल्स और डैफोडिल्स की यादों के साथ नाचने लगता है. नाउ चिल्ड्रंस, लेट्स रीड आफ्टर मी. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and wheels, over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, besides the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze, continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. They stretched in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprinkly dance. For often when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eyes, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. Children, please learn a whole poem of daffodils, whole stanza. Now let's see some word meaning. Let's proceed further. Our first word and its meaning is wandered. Wandered means walking uselessly. Wandered means walking uselessly. Second, vales and vales means valley. Vales means valley. Third is fluttering. Fluttering means moving lightly and in easy and simple way you can say quickly. I have written in a simple way, quickly. Stretched. Stretched means spread. Spread. Stretched, spread. Next is bay. B-A-Y, bay. Bay means a part of seas or a lake. A part of the seas or a lake. Next is number 6 is sprinkly. Sprinkly means lively. Now come to number 7 word meaning. Often. Oft. Oft means often. O-F-T, oft, and its meaning is often. Number 8. Number 8 is vacant. Vacant means empty. Empty. Now come to word meaning of 9. Pensive. Pensive means sad or you can say worried. Pensive means sad or worried. Number 10. Bliss. Bliss means extremely happiness. Extreme happiness. Bliss means extreme happiness. Number 11, solitude. Solitude means alone. Solitude means alone. Now come to word meaning of 10, daffodil. A tall yellow daffodil. This poem, Daffodil, is written by William Wordsworth. Who is the writer of the poem Daffodil? The writer of the poet, or you can say the writer of this poem is William Wordsworth. ये पोएम विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ का एक बहुत ही फेमस वर्क है जिससे फर्स्ट टाइम 1807 में पब्लिश कराया गया था. नाउ चिल्ड्रंस, you know who was William Wordsworth? William Wordsworth was a great man. विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ एक बहुत ही महान इंसान थे. विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ इंट्रोड्यूस्ड रोमांटिज्म टू इंग्लिश पोएट्री. Wordsworth showed his affinity for nature with the famous poem I Wandered, Lonely as a Cloud, or Daffodil. You can also say daffodils. In some book, this poem is written as I Wandered, Lonely as a Cloud, or in some book the heading of this poem is Daffodil. He became England's poet laureate in 1843, a role he held until his death in 1850. ये जो पोएम है विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ का बहुत ही फेमस, बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध पोएम है जिसे जो भी नाम आप बोल सकते हैं, आई वंडर्ड, लोनली एज अ क्लाउड, और आप डैफोडिल्स भी बोल सकते हैं. बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध, बहुत ही फेमस वर्क था जिसे पब्लिश कराया गया था 1807 में. चिल्ड्रंस, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. वन थिंग प्लीज नोट, you have to write all the word meanings in your English literature copy, and you have to learn all the word meaning with spellings. Do not forget to learn the spellings. Hope you all are fit and fine. Children, please maintain social distancing and avoid going outside. Once again, thanks for watching.